से
कुंतला की बेटी
अभी नहीं हुई है, अभी हॉस्पिटल में, अभी हॉस्पिटल में अभी
Family, friends, come sit around me. I carry food for you to enjoy. My flat surface, you place your plates. A meal for every soul and being. Did you find anything? No.
What is this place?
What is this?
What is this place? What is this place?
So much pressure.
I think that.
She's gonna give us. I would be made it.
Don't do that.
No pressure. No pressure. Just chill out.
Yeah, relax.
Relax, relax, कोई pressure नहीं है.
My flat.
You don't have to read it out loud.
My flat surface.
You're not.
You can take mummy ji's help also if you want.
हाँ.
हिंदी में dictate करके both of you देखते कितने.
अरे तुम क्या कर रही हो?
हाँ चला जा.
Take your time, my genius mom.
Friends, come sit around me. I carry food for you. I carry food for you to enjoy.
आजा आजा अंदर आजा अंदर आजा come
Read
go.
the next line. Read the next line.
My flat surface.
What has a flat surface and you keep food on?
Dining table.
हाँ तो वो check.
Should we sit on the next?
हाँ switch on the light. इधर से सलोनी.
Okay,
Sit down ना.
With 4 strong legs, I stand with pride. But please don't hesitate to take a ride. Though I love to stand all day, I was made for you, for your rump to stay. That is car. We all love you lots. Happy finding. ये तो कार हुई.
वापस पढ़ो.
If you think
If you think so, you want to check
you
card.
want to check the card, you can do as whatever you think is right. You are the queen. Also,
With your 4 strong legs.
here, mother, with every clue you have to get, you will get a gift, okay? But you can't open the gifts till you found the last one. So this is your bag. Then you will be collecting your clues.
Yeah,
once you're done,
once you're done
with it.
With your 4 strong legs, I stand with pride. With 4 strong legs, I stand with pride, but please don't hesitate to take a ride. What do you take a ride on?
You must be taking one right now.
It could be maybe you are. Yeah, maybe you're taking the
On the
right
chair?
I don't know. Read आगे.
Read it.
Though I love to stand all day, I was made for your rump to stay. You're talking about rump
As a bomb. As a bomb.
So we sit on. Though I love to stand all day. So everything is standing only now. You only sit down on it. I was made for your rump to stay. You all love you lots. I know you all love me.
That's
Happy
sweet.
finding.
But that's not the part we're focusing
I found my 3 treasures.
So sweet and cheesy, mom. But please continue.
इससे ज़्यादा आगे कहाँ?
हाँ अब you were almost there. You were almost there. You said the answer also.
Yeah.
The chair.
हाँ.
Yeah. Maybe you should check it out. Or it's rump, maybe.
Bend down a little. You're just born.
Bend down a little and just
Maybe you
You can-
check the butt of the chair.
butt of the chair.
That's back of the chair.
Where's the butt of the chair?
Where's the butt of the chair? You can tilt it.
Find the butt of the chair is the new quest.
यार पिटाई हो जाएगी तीनों की.
I knew it would come down to this at least thrice today.
बस now you have plenty of time हाँ बाकी के लिए.
No, maybe this one.
नहीं she's taking out though.
Like, how will I read this? Open me up. There's a lot to see, but sometimes you still frown at me. Open me up. There's a lot to see, but sometimes you still frown at me. You'll say I'm not diverse enough. It's not my fault you don't buy new stuff. So this is like open me
This
up.
is a big.
So this is like my wardrobe. This is what
maybe,
this is.
Is it?
Check it out. Maybe
You want to check it out?
Maybe you should check out all the wardrobes.
No, because open me up, there's a lot to see.
हाँ,
There's
that's
a lot.
हाँ, it can be a
But
wardrobe.
sometimes you still frown at me. Then we
We always
pretend.
see, हाँ.
No, you three are being sarcastic.
No,
नहीं, why?
Swearing the right direction.
So you'll say I am not diverse enough. Like मेरे पास एक ही जैसे कपड़े हैं, ठीक है ना? It's not my fault you don't buy new stuff.
I'm just taking your phone like that. I'm not a thief.
So it's not my fault you don't buy new stuff. That's why you really didn't bother कि मैं नया कपड़ा खरीद के लेकर आऊँ. Because you must have got. I told you don't get it.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I
So what is-
said that's what, and I have no idea what I'm talking about.
I have no
Can
idea
you
what
see,
you're
mom, please? Just
It's not. You'll say I'm not diverse enough. Yeah, means like my head
okay,
is
so
not-
maybe just like check what.
Check now.
Which wardrobe?
How many wardrobes do we have? Give me.
Give me my letter.
You carry my letters?
Yes, I
Oh, fine.
This is.
You can collect it in this only, and then we can. Mom wants to hold them, so she can get confused which one to read. Mom loves to get confused. Exactly. Mom, this is the first one. You can just keep all of your letters.
Because don't say like
चलो चलो.
If you want to check it,
Check.
check it.
If you want to check.
Even Muffin has the same expression as Papa. अब क्या हो रहा है? पापा 12 नहीं बजे, आप चल करो. आपको आना है तो आप आ सकते हो. हम लोग रेडी.
अभी बता देते हुए.
This thing.
Nothing here. Maybe you should recheck the ones in your.
all three of. आप बता रहे हो आपको मेरे साथ रहना है कि नहीं रहना?
Sure, that's not. I was like, I'm too tired for this bullshit.
ये कह रहे हैं मुझे पढ़ने के लिए दे दे हो लिया.
Mom has the same face.
सुबह
Look
से-
at her face, Mom.
तो तुम बताओ क्या किया है इन्होंने मेरे बर्थडे में? तुम मीनू तू तो भूल जा, तू छो जाएगा.
Check 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 check.
बच्चों की बात हो. बच्चों की बात हो.
There is there. It's not there. It's not there.
This is yellow thing.
There's no yellow.
Right?
This is saying there's no yellow.
With the most holographic paper in the world. It's shiny. I literally replaced it right now so that it becomes more in front.
I would never be able to do that kind of stuff.
Just sleep in the same room.
ये जन्म का 7 जन्म का ये एक फेरा नहीं पूरा किया आपने प्रॉपर.
इतना कर लिया कि आपके पॉलिटिकल वीडियोस अब यूट्यूब पे चला के सो गए. पापा must have got this habit from all the nonsense on Facebook plays at night.
When the last time you cleaned me out, I don't know, but there's a stench about. To keep the dirtiest, that's what I do. Lined up in a row, old and new. When?
I'm so impressed.
The
I'm very
last
very.
time you cleaned me out. When did I clean out last time?
What's in a row though?
I don't know. But there's a stench.
The standard
about.
one,
What is
that
the smelly thing about? Keep the dirtiest. That's what I do. That it should be either the dustbin or the basket thingy. Lined up in a row. Lined up in a row. Old and new. New तो कुछ नहीं है.
What's that basket?
सो गए कैसे?
तुम मेरा बर्थडे मना रहे हो या मुझे रुला रहे हो?
दोनों को तीनों.
अरे आप तो इतने आराम से कर लिया तीनों. हम तो सोच रहे थे भी हाँ हाँ वी हैव टाइम. वी हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम नाउ. आराम से टेक योर टाइम. अच्छा बाहर बैठ के टेक योर टाइम.
ये स्मार्ट वन.
हाँ.
See, you got 3 gifts. More you want, more gift.
So I'm like
Mom will give.
Oh, sorry, we didn't want.
It is your actual age. The number of.
when the last time you cleaned me out. I
Like
think
18 at heart.
Oh, you don't wish that I haven't cleaned it out for a long time then.
Yes.
That's what it says.
If you haven't. If
but
you want
there's
to
a
believe
stench
that.
about. तो उसमें से किस में से स्मेल आ रही है?
Oh, yeah. क्या आपके शूज में से स्मेल आती
नहीं कभी नहीं आती.
तो फिर मम्मी आप में से तो कभी भी अभी नहीं किसी चीज
Keep the dirtiest. That's what I do. Keep the dirtiest.
Look at me, mom.
I'm the only one who keeps everything.
So there is no hint on me, mom. No, mommy, don't tap my butt.
Line
This is so me.
एक पहेली सूझ रही है यार.
अब बताओ, पूछो ना, पूछ लो.
ठीक है, इसमें लिखा है when the last time you cleaned me out, I don't know, but there's a stench about. इसमें से smelly
Papa
है
is
कुछ.
already asleep.
To keep the dirtiest, that's what I do. Lined up in a row, old and new. Lined up in a
जूते वूते के होंगे कुछ
चाची कह रही उनके जूतों से स्मेल नहीं आती है.
जूतों में स्मेल वाले गंदी गंदी से लाइन लगा
बट वो रो में तो नहीं होती.
And if you want to check it out, you're free to check it out.
हाँ, अब ऐसे तो नहीं ना है कि आपने आंसर गलत भी हो सकता है, तो कोई बात नहीं.
There's no harm in like checking
No, I
it
was
out.
thinking he,
So
Yeah,
check
but
it out,
if
mom.
you
Go
did
check
say
it out.
this bus.
तो यू कैन चेक ना इफ यू थिंक इट इज.
To check anything out.
but that, last time I cleaned out
जूते हो
what?
सकते हैं कपड़े हो सकते हैं गंदे
छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो. नहीं कथा.
You know, he's actually erased what he gave.
Okay then. वो बता देंगे actually.
No, it's pretty smart to actually think like that.
Half asleep.
नींद में भी पता है क्या बोल रहे
But maybe you should check this one.
अरे लड़कियां ना कहाँ इन दिमाग वाली लड़कियों के साथ पाला पड़े.
No, no, just one ladki, one big ladki. One bhabhi.
नहीं चलो,
No, I'm sure.
इट्स ऑनलाइन नहीं मेक्स इट फन.
No, this I cleaned every day. I clean it.
हाँ,
every
you
Oh, you
clean
smell
it
just
every day
like
ना.
Karen Chiara.
हाँ.
You smell just like them. That's the perfume they use or whatever.
हाँ, because we three सुबह साथ में we get ready.
Ah, you guys smell.
ये तो मेरी चप्पल है.
जूते चप्पलें कहाँ रखती है वहाँ देख ले मशीन में से गंदे कपड़े कहीं
Just go
जब
check,
आपको
mom.
बताना है तो आप पूरा बता दो.
नहीं मेरे को नहीं पता
Papa actually doesn't know.
नहीं पता क्या किए भैया
आपको ये नहीं पता
पापा
कि क्या
doesn't
गेम है. Actually ये नहीं पता क्या गेम है ये. भाभी जी को पता है. इधर से लाइट ऑन.
हाँ.
ये तो खाना है. ये तो वो है. तो और तो कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं है?
फिर एक दूसरे को रोका है. इसमें कोई धोखा है.
Maybe it's not here.
अब तुम लोग में को
ना हमने नहीं बोला, हम तो कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे हैं.
I'm so used to standing in your way.
But you have to eye me
clean me out. Clean me out.
You're free to check anywhere.
No, it is. It can't be just anywhere.
चेक द प्लेसेस प्रॉपर्ली ना.
You missed such a big.
अलमारी में नहीं दिखाओ, आपको बताओ चाची है.
In front of your face.
Mama, are you actually
No,
going to
तुमने
lie?
फिर
नहीं
दोबारा से रखा.
नहीं इसने पेज लेके देखा वही था, वो रखा वही था.
वो रखा गया है सामने.
क्योंकि वो यहाँ रखा था, यहाँ इसके बीच में रखा था.
Okay. That's why you were not very keen on me not buying anything because you've been buying.
We were
it.
okay with it. Like we knew this was gonna happen. ला इसको निकाल दो. आराम से करो.
अब nobody will help, okay?
No, we're looking away.
Now
Looking,
you're on your
looking
own.
through.
You are on your own now.
Please look. Please use your eyes.
Please use brain, नहीं, please use your eyes. Please use your eyes.
Round and round is my favorite game. I keep on going, but it's always the same. I slash around, and when I'm through, the things you left will be like new. Round and round is my favorite game. I keep on going, but it's always the same. I slash around, and when I'm through, the things you left will be. So this is absolutely a washing machine.
You want to go check? You can go check. We're not giving you any no hands. We're just following you.
तो तुम लड़कियां इमेजिन करो, मतलब वहां से उठा के वहां पे बिठा के ये करते वो करते. क्योंकि उन्होंने बोला एक्चुअली.
Papa doesn't know anything, by the way.
But he said now
He's been sleeping the entire time.
He's so smart.
To figure out the shoe rack thing.
you don't tell him, but you know his ears, they figure out everything.
Mama, he's half big.
ये क्या हो रहा है?
Mom, by the way, your
comments are all being recorded. Please be sensitive to what you're saying on this camera.
See, I've not said a word which is not.
Have one reality show with us.
You cannot bring out wrong stuff from me.
We're just kidding, mom. Just kidding. Just cruising.
And this video is going to be like.
We're gonna show everyone how you did it. How long it took for mom to see what's exactly right in front.
It was not long to figure it out, but to see it was
Brain's fast.
Brain is
don't
fast.
know. We have no guarantee of eyes.
See, that is right.
Yes, mom.
Yes.
Congratulations. All on your own.
I'm so happy to read all the stuff that you've written. What goes up and down but does not move? The stairs.
If you want to
Staircase.
see, you can see.
That I know. This ये हम पहले पूछते हैं lifelong. So that is 100% staircase. फिर और कोई hint दे रही हो आप सोते सोते? मैंने यहाँ पे देखा तो था कुछ तो पर दिखना तो नहीं था कुछ.
It's your choice to explore the house now.
एक ही स्टेज है ना अपने घर में?
पता नहीं.
हाँ ये एक ही स्टेज है. What goes up and down but does not move is the stairs only.
Mom, can you see? Go up and down.
Do we need to go?
Oh, you can go if you want. You
I mean,
can.
if you want to go there, you have no limits apart from going into.
Yeah, there is no limit.
There's nothing in Shakir's room. Baki, you can go anywhere you want.
Yeah,
Because this is the only thing that does.
They're sleeping. They're coming. You read it.
I like it so much. Okay. Your very last clue. Try not to peep. Try not to peep. I see some beautiful souls inside your heart. To fetch them and
Hug them.
hug them is an art. So never feel tired and don't you sleep. Go step down few stairs. Don't sleep with kids under the sky near a tree. Your heart and souls are giving hugs for free. So it's like outside.
I don't know.
I see some beautiful souls inside your heart to fetch them. This will be pure. Where are these two girls?
I don't know.
To hug them is an art. To fetch them and hug them is an art. So never feel tired and don't you sleep. Go step down few stairs. Go step down few stairs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful.
Free hugs.
So beautiful. So beautiful. आजा मेरा बच्चा. मेरा बच्चा.
हाँ, open your gifts now.
Oh my god. This is like what birthday would be celebrated without this kind of that is so pretty. This is so beautiful. Oh god. These kind of birthdays is what you want. I'm going to make a scrapbook out of it and you should keep it all my life. Oh, this is so pretty. This is my favorite. Yes. Yes. Shibuya. It's Shibuya. He bought. He bought. Sweetie, bachcha.
Hey, is that something? Hey, look, the dolls. You can have Mickey. I'm calling Badi Mummy, okay? And I'm making the
Just don't call. Don't really
this time since you were done.
No, this is complete what? Not even having phatte kapade is also good enough for me now. That's like something unbelievable, unmatchable, and most satisfying.
Your bag of gifts, mother.
वो मंदिर
मैं
so pretty.
So cute.
आ जाओ, आप जा रही हो,
invested in it, baby.